I want you to please listen to me carefully. It is now testing my patience. And I have to tell you this. I have feelings for you, baby. But I am very scared as if it's my first time. I am feeling this feeling first time. I am not sure how to handle this. And that is the reason I am running away from you. I will not lie with you now. Even I tried to replace you. But it is just not helping me at all. I cannot stop thinking about you. Even I cannot replace my thoughts. These feelings are flying in my mind. My heart beats so fast I feel like it will come out. My throat is feeling dryness as I am scared. I am now scared to lose you. Thought of losing you make me uncomfortable. I really don't know how to deal with this situation. Even I am not sure how to express my feelings to you.